So today we're going to look at another strategy for how to figure out how to spell words. And this one is by using words that you know already and using parts of those words to build this new word that you're trying to figure out. So if you need to write the word shallow, you think about shallow. I bet there's some words you know that start with that sh. Words like she, right? Or maybe shine. So now you know how your word's going to start, right? You see that sh. So in our word shallow, we're going to start with a sh. Shallow. Now we hear that O at the end. Shallow. Do you know any words that have an O sound at the end like that? Words like, let's see, glow or throw. So you kind of see what the end of your word's going to look like. Now you have this funny part in the middle. Shallow. You got aloe. Ow, ow. Kind of sounds like owl. You could spell it like that. Shallow. I'd probably know what you mean when it was like that. I want to know if any of you know that word shall. Like we shall go somewhere. And it is spelt like that. Shallow. So it's how we use parts of words to make a new word that we want to do. So let's try another one just for fun. How about if we do, what would be another good word? How about creative? Let's do creative. Creative. So how would we start creative? Do you know any words like creative? Cry. That kind of has that cry. Maybe creature, or at least you know how it starts. Creature. You might not know the whole thing, but you got the beginning. Cree. So I bet we're going to start with create. Well, that one's pretty easy. Creative. Do we know any words that have iv at the end? Iv. Oh, I know one. How about live? Live. Or give. So I bet if we use that part at the end, we're going to have creative. Oh, I forgot my t, right? You're going to have to put the t in there. Creative. Look, we spelled the whole word. So that's what this is about. Now your homework is a little bit different because they're going to give you the word first. It would be hard to do it so that they didn't give you the word. So it's a piece of paper, and at the top it has a box like this, and then it has a bunch of lines. I believe there are 6 lines, 3 here and 3 here. Right? And in that box is going to be a word. Let's say the word is hurricane. Oops, sorry. Mine's too long for my box. There we go. Hurricane. Hurricane. And so what you're supposed to do is come up with words down here that would help you spell that word. Words like hurt or hurry, or is there any other part of that we could do? Cane. You might even know the word cane. Cane. And once you come up with some words like that, you could do lane. That one has that ain in it, right? Once you do that, I want you to spend those last 2 lines So you've got 2 for the beginning of the word, 2 for the end of the word. And then I want you to use the last 2 lines just to practice this word again, to practice writing it. Hurricane, right? Do it again. And it works best if you say it while you write it, while you hear it, and that way you're getting it into your brain in lots of different ways. Your hand is moving, your eyes are seeing, your ears are hearing, and you're saying it too. Hurricane. And then it helps you remember how to spell that new word, hurricane. So you'll have a paper that has 6 words altogether. There'll be 3 on one page and 3 on another. So that's your assignment for today. Thanks.